Welcome back to the 100-Day Project where we're working on abstract florals. And today, although I know we're in February, I'm going to be working on mistletoe. And did you know that mistletoe was white? Because I did not. I always just assumed it was red like I've seen in movies. I don't think I've ever seen it in real life. Have you? So this picture just caught my eye. I thought it was a beautiful flower. I didn't even realize it was mistletoe until I was showing it to you guys. And so I am doing just like usual my abstract floral where I am adding leaves or subtracting leaves where just my heart takes me and just having fun on the page. Not worrying too much about perfection or how it's supposed to look, but just putting it down. And I think that's what I like about the 100-Day Project the most is that it kind of gets me out of that, and I've said this before, the perfectionism of trying to make it great, and if it's not great, then it's terrible. And so this is kind of just freeing to me where I can just play. And that's, so far, it's going well. So again, like I said yesterday, I encourage you to try to come on this journey with me, whether you start today at day 7 as your day 1, or you start from 7 forward. I think that you'd really like it. And come join me, do florals. And if you do, let me know either here or Instagram. I'm more active usually on Instagram than I am here. And so feel free to send me a DM and I will love to support you and to see what you've come up with. So what I'm doing here first is I'm just saturating my leaves in a lighter tone green, and then I'm coming in with a darker green that I've mixed into my lighter tone, and then another darker on top of that, and then just kind of letting the water do its magic and just letting it dance on the page. With this painting that I've done here, at the end, I add a stabilo Stays All in Blue, which you guys have seen me do before. And I feel like because the colors are so light, the greens, with the like beige color on the page, even though I put the gesso and the modeling paste on there, it's still like kind of has a tint of a like parchment color. It's not a true white, as you can see there. And so I feel like the blue just grounds the floral and makes it pop from the page. And so that's what I've done here. And there we go. I'm going to go in right now, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to just lay a little bit of it on the page, and then with some water, I'm going to move it around. And so it's kind of, I'm trying not to be perfect at this and make it go in different directions that I normally wouldn't. And I feel like at the end of my projects, when I do that, it's a lot better than when I try to, emulate a perfectionism that is not going to happen from me. So I like this one. I feel like the blue came out a little bit more of like a kind of a turquoisey blue than in the other pictures that or my other drawings that I've done when I've used the same stabilo. And I think that this page came out really sweet, and I love the contrast with the one on the left. And that's pretty much it. And I thank you so much for joining me, and hope to see you again tomorrow. And here's the final product. Enjoy.